Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. One Lux Jamaica is a four-story, approximately 4,000 square feet villa in the gated community of Vista Del Mar. It features two identical primary suites with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets, two half baths, and a basement with space for a third bedroom or second living area. The basement includes unique windows that look into the pool, a rare residential feature in Jamaica. Built in 2015 by MAFFESSANTI and Sons, the villa includes a two-car garage, rooftop terrace with sea and mountain views, solar power, and a 25,000-gallon rainwater system for irrigating the tropical landscaping. Also being sold is the adjoining four-bed, two-bath owner's bungalow, lot 244, which features its own kitchen, a laundry area, an open living space, and a plunge pool. The bungalow spans approximately 1,800 square feet and is ideal for merging with the villa or as a separate income unit. Close to beaches, restaurants, and the famous Dunn's River Falls, the One Lux Estate is positioned to be an excellent short-term rental or the perfect family oasis. This is definitely an opportunity that you do not want to miss out on. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1,600,000, Jamaican 252.4 million, Canadian 2.29 million, Euro 1.49 million, or 1.24 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.